friends, it's me, Faye, today. So yesterday we did a Dobby review. Hey, remember me? And then now we are gonna do one on Kitty. Let's just call her Kitty. This is dedicated to my friends Faith Yoon, Eva Yoon, and Sharon Yoon, but I call her Unnie because in Korean, Unnie is girl, what's it called? Yeah, younger girls say to the older girl. So this is Kitty. Yes, Kitty. I almost forgot your name. Say hi, Kitty. Hi. I actually got them at their birthday. Yeah, I got them from their birthday, from being the worst at bowling. Hi, my name is Kitty, or you could call me Kit Kat. That was weird from her. And she has a tail, some 3 spots, and it always looks like she's sleeping because you put it here like so you sleep. Okay, you wanna? Yeah. Wait, what did you say? 1 second. Yeah, sure. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm doing a thumbs up here. Ta-da! Give thumbs up and ring the bell below and subscribe. 1 second.